Hello there, my friends, and welcome. I am the amazing Angela, and what I do is I share with you simple ways for you to earn a passive income online. So, what you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and remember to smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on more training from me. Now, in this video, I will be sharing with you my LeadsLeap weekly overview. So if you are a marketer looking for free tools that you can use to build whatever opportunity that you choose, you want to stick around to the very end of this training because I have some exciting bonuses for you. So let's go through this email here that I received from LeadsLeap, giving me an overview of my accounts the past week. So I have 10 pro ads running because I'm a pro member. And from those 10 pro ads, I have got 1,868 hits in total. Okay. So if you're a pro member, if you want to go to post pro ads right here, and here as a pro member, you can set 10 ads, set and forget, and that way you'll always know that you're having targeted traffic to your offers. Okay. The second one says credits of I have 142 credits available, and in the past week I've earned 62 credits, and most of them have been from referral bonuses. So when you refer people to the system, you actually get credits as well. So what you can do is you can use those credits to set up a credit ad. So I have one credit ad, and in the past 7 days, that ad has had 280 hits. So if you want to set up a credit ad, you can do so as a free member. You go here to post credit ad, and that's my ad there. You can go ahead and add your ad, but if you need credits in order for you to actually get views to your ad. So the way that you earn credits is by surfing other ads and referring other people. There's different ways, but those are the main ways that you can earn credits. And then let's see what's next. Follow-on message. So I have a message that expires on the 9th of January 2022. And that message has been clicked 7 times in the past week. This is another set and forget. And to set that up, it's very, very simple. Just move me here. You just go to here, my followers, message followers. And what you do is you set up this message once. And once you set it up, when your followers 10 levels deep log into their back office, your message can be seen to them. So you see these people here, I am their followers, and I can see the messages here. So that was it, 15 people have actually clicked my message, which is great. Okay, let's go back. Referral stats. So I've referred 2 people. However, we've had 9 people join our team all the way down to level 10, and 2 people on level 11. And this is powerful because that follow-on message that I told you about, that I just spoke to you about here, whatever follow-on message that you write can be seen by those people in your network all the way down to 10 levels when they log into the back office. It's not just your personal referrals that get to see the message, their referrals all the way down to level 10. So it's a great way to get exposure. So here are my earnings, my commissions, and yeah, that's a good summary. So if you're looking for a simple, just free tools that you can use to grow your business, there's going to be a link in the description. It's one thing for me to give you access to this free system. It's another thing to give you step-by-step training to make sure that you use the system correctly. So there's going to be another link in the description. Just click that link and create a free account in this course. And once you create a free account, you'll have step-by-step training. I take you by the hand and I walk you step-by-step through everything that you need to do to get the most out of this platform. So thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. If you're looking for free tools to help you grow your business, click the link in the description to check it out. And if you found value, smash that like button. If you have any questions, I have links to my Facebook group in the description. You can reach out to me. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channels.